I'm a retired hacker, and this is Freebies TV.
Welcome back to another Freebies tutorial. Today we are going to use a tool very important to AI video creators. So no one likes to his videos in YouTube or another platform with a watermark. With this tool, you don't have to pay a dime for it. When you write a prompt in Chat or Claude, you put no watermark, but it doesn't work with all sites, especially the free ones. In this example, I will use a Cedence 2.0 video created in Dola AI. Dola AI is a site where you can create 3 videos a day with Cedence 2.0. So the no watermark in the prompt does not work. So let's begin. Use this link to enter the online app. No need to sign up. Upload the video that you want the watermark removed. The video is ready. I will use the square and put over the watermark. Click on Remove the watermark and wait. Everything looks perfect, but there is always a catch. This will be fast because I'm doing this at 3 a.m. During the day, the system is overloaded and your video will be put on queued. But you have to sign out for this or leave your computer or cell phone turned on. I prefer to sign. I can go to my job and leave 10 videos waiting to his turn, and when I get home, the videos are ready. So the video is ready, let's take a look. The results are perfect. There is another tools in this online app, like removing the object of the video, special watermark removers for AI video generators. Remove watermark from a photo or create your own logo. Now I'm going to show you why it's better to sign up. Before I went to work, I left some videos on queued. They should be ready by now. So I will sign with my Google account and take a look and download. This is from Mortal Kombat, the anime series, is on this channel. If you are seeing the series, I recommend to shut down this video right now. Spoiler alert. I hope you liked the video. Feel free to like and subscribe.